everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm talking Vinegar 101, and I'm talking about some less common vinegars today. It's black vinegar. Black vinegar is something that you might not see typically on your usual grocery store. You might find it online, or you might find it in a specialty shop of some sort. It's usually made from glutinous rice or sorghum. It has a woody, smoky flavor, and it's a common sour ingredient that's used in foods in southern China. Here in the United States, black vinegar might be used as a dipping sauce for dumplings and also in meat marinades. Now, the best uses for black vinegar would be as a dipping sauce and to flavor meats and even stir fries. It could be a less expensive alternative to balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar ranges in prices quite wide, from relatively inexpensive to very, very expensive. So if you prefer to use the really higher quality balsamic vinegars, black vinegar might be a good alternative for you to save a few dollars here and there. Regarding food sensitivities, traditional black vinegar being made from rice or sorghum would be naturally gluten-free, but some varieties have been made with other grains added as well, like wheat or millet, peas, barley, bran, and chaff, which is the outer husk of a grain. Some of those grains naturally contain gluten, wheat and barley for sure. So if the vinegar was made with other grains added and was not distilled, 100% distilled, then chances are it's going to contain gluten. So you need to read the labels very, very carefully and see what it was made from. If it has added wheat or barley to it and it was not 100% distilled, then you know it's got gluten in there and you need to avoid it. If it was made only with rice and or sorghum, you're okay. It's naturally going to be gluten-free. Now, if you have a problem with sulfites, black vinegar may or may not have added sulfites in there. So you do need to read the labels very, very carefully to be sure that you don't get something that you might react to. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.